How to change text using Inspect Element on Google Chrome Windows PC. This tutorial shows you how to preview edits to any web page's text using DevTools. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. From there, go to the website you want to edit. After that, right-click on the specific text you want to change. At this point, click Inspect. Following this opens DevTools, highlighting the exact line of code tied to that text. From here, double-click directly on the text within that highlighted code. At this stage, this makes it editable right there in the panel. Following this, delete the existing text and type in whatever you want it changed to. From here, click anywhere outside that text box to apply the change. Once applied, the text updates immediately on the page itself. Keep in mind this change only happens on your own screen and isn't saved anywhere, so refreshing the page or closing the tab reverts everything back to normal, and no one else visiting that site will see your edit. That's how you change text using Inspect Element on Google Chrome. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!